End-of-period adjustments. They are journal entries made at the end of an accounting period, to update the accounts for transactions or events that occurred but were not recorded. For example, in video number 8 of this series, ABC Company paid $6,000 on November 1st for renting an office for the next 6 months. The accountant recorded that transaction as prepaid rent on November 1st. On December 31st, the date of preparing the financial statements, the company has already used the office for November and December. However, the balance sheet is still showing a balance of $6,000 as prepaid rent for the full 6 months. So, we should adjust the balance of the prepaid rent on December 31st, to reduce it by the rent of November and December, because ABC Company already used the office during these 2 months. If that adjustment is ignored, the balance sheet will be showing an overstated balance for prepaid rent as of December 31st. From this example, you can see that end-of-period adjustments are necessary to ensure that the financial statements accurately reflect the financial position and performance of the company. We have different categories for end-of-period adjustments, but to better understand that topic, let us first discuss a few related important principles and concepts. The first principle is the time period concept. The time period concept is an accounting principle that requires businesses to divide their financial activities into specific time periods, typically months, quarters, and years. Financial information is more useful and meaningful when it is reported over specific periods of time rather than a single continuous stream of data without any milestones. Businesses become in a better position to track their revenues and expenses, identify trends, and make informed decisions about their future operations. The most common time period used in accounting is the fiscal year, which is a 12-month period. A fiscal year generally starts on January 1st and ends on December 31st each year. That is all about the time period concept. Let us talk about the revenue recognition principle in the coming video.